10 days ago, you pressed play on day one, and I asked you something. I asked you to speak English out loud for 5 minutes about anything before you were ready, before you felt confident, before any of it felt natural. And you did it. Maybe it was messy. Maybe it was slow. Maybe you ran out of things to say at minute 3 and started describing your ceiling. But you did it. And today, day 10, I want you to do something. Go and find that recording, the one you made on day 1. Play it. And then, after you have listened to it, speak again, right now, about anything, for 5 minutes. And listen to the difference. Because that difference, that real, measurable, completely undeniable difference between day 1 and day 10, is not just improvement. It is proof. Proof that the system works, proof that you work, proof that 10 days of showing up, consistently, imperfectly, bravely, changes something real. And today, the final day, we make sure that change never stops. Welcome back to Everyday English with Ember. I am Ember, and this is day 10, the final day of the 10-day English speaking challenge. I want to say something before we begin. 10 days ago, most people who started this challenge did not believe they would make it to day 10. They hoped they would, they wanted to, but somewhere in the back of their minds, there was a voice that said, "You will not finish this. You never finish things like this." And here you are, day 10. That voice was wrong. And I want you to remember this moment, not because the challenge is ending, but because of what finishing it proves about you. It proves that you are someone who keeps their promises to themselves. And that quality, that quiet determination, is worth more than any technique I have taught you in the last 9 days. It is the foundation everything else is built on. Now, let us build the final layer. 2 free PDFs are in the description: the 10-day challenge overview and your day 10 PDF guide with your complete speaking system, your 30-day progression plan, and your day 1 versus day 10 comparison exercise. Download it now. Before we talk about going forward, I want to spend 1 minute looking back, because I want you to see, clearly, exactly what you have built in 10 days. Day 1, the output habit. You broke the silence. You started speaking English out loud daily before you were ready. And that habit, that daily speaking muscle, is now part of who you are. Day 2, the shadowing method. Your mouth learned the physical rhythm of English. Your pronunciation, your speed, and your natural flow all improved. Every time you shadow, they improve more. Day 3, the sentence chunking method. Your brain stopped processing English word by word. It started thinking in chunks, the way fluent speakers think. And every chunk you collect makes your speaking faster and more automatic. Day 4, the speaking formula. Every sentence you speak now has a structure: an opener, a main point, a detail, a connector. Your thoughts no longer get lost halfway through. They arrive organized, complete, confident. Day 5, the conversation simulator. You removed the no partner excuse permanently. 3 techniques that let you practice real conversations completely alone, anytime, any place. Day 6, the pause and filler method. Silence stopped being your enemy. You now have a complete toolkit of natural English fillers that keep you sounding fluent even while your brain is still thinking. Day 7, the pronunciation fix. Word stress, sentence stress, linking sounds. 3 specific things that make your English immediately clear to any speaker anywhere in the world. Day 8, the real conversation blueprint. You have the complete structure of a real English conversation: how to start, how to keep it going with forward and echo and expand, how to exit warmly and memorably. Day 9, the fear elimination protocol. The freeze has a name, a cause, a duration, and 3 specific solutions: pre-speaking activation, the permission phrase, the recovery sentence. 9 techniques, 9 layers, 1 complete system. And today, day 10, we consolidate everything into one sustainable daily practice. Your complete daily speaking system. Here it is, the system that takes everything you have built and keeps it growing every single day for the rest of your life. 20 minutes every morning, non-negotiable. Minute 1 to 5, the morning speaking rule. From day 1, 5 minutes of free speaking out loud about anything. No script, no preparation. But now, with everything you have built, your free speaking uses the formula automatically, uses chunks automatically, uses fillers automatically, follows the conversation blueprint naturally. It is no longer just talking, it is a complete daily performance of your entire system. Minute 6 to 15, shadowing. From day 2, 10 minutes of shadowing real English content. But now, with days 3, 6, and 7 added, you shadow with specific attention to chunks, fillers, and the 3 pronunciation features. You are not just copying sounds, you are mining the content for chunks. You are noticing the linking. You are feeling the sentence stress. Shadowing is now a multi-layered practice that builds 5 skills simultaneously. Minute 16 to 20, chunk collection and speaking formula drill. From days 3 and 4, 5 minutes of collecting new chunks from your shadowing content and drilling them with the speaking formula immediately. Filler, opener, main point, detail, connector. Using a new chunk from today's shadowing session, out loud 3 times until it is completely automatic. 20 minutes, 5 days per week minimum, every week, forever. That is the system. The 30-day progression plan. The daily system keeps your English growing, but here is what takes it to the next level. 1 real English conversation per week. Not practiced, not simulated, real. In the first week, easy level. 1 short English conversation with a stranger, a shop assistant, a colleague you rarely speak to, the person at the coffee counter. Something small, something low stakes. In the second week, medium level, a longer conversation using the full blueprint, opening, middle, and exit, 5 minutes minimum. In the third week, challenging level, a conversation about a topic you find genuinely difficult to discuss in English, an opinion, a debate. Something that requires the speaking formula and fillers and pronunciation all working simultaneously. In the fourth week, stretch level, the conversation you have been avoiding, the one that scares you most, the job interview, the presentation, the difficult professional conversation, the first date, whatever it is. 1 conversation per week, progressively more challenging. In a notebook, after every conversation, write 3 things: what went well, what felt difficult, 1 specific thing to practice before the next conversation. That reflection, that intentional review of every real conversation is what separates language learners who plateau from language learners who keep growing. 30 days, 4 conversations, 4 reflections, and then do it again for the next 30 days. and the 30 after that. The day 1 versus day 10 comparison. Right now, before we go any further, I need you to do something. Find your day 1 recording. Play it. Listen all the way through. And then press record and speak English for 5 minutes about this topic. Tell me about your English journey, where you started, what you have learned, how you feel right now, and where you are going next. Do it now. Did you hear it? The difference between day 1 and day 10? Maybe it was in the speed, the sentences coming faster, less hesitation between words. Maybe it was in the structure. The answer is more organized, the thoughts arriving complete rather than trailing off. Maybe it was in the confidence, the voice a little steadier, a little surer, a little more like someone who belongs in an English conversation. That difference, whatever it was, is real. It is not imagined. It is not polite encouragement. It is 10 days of work made audible. Keep that recording, and in 30 days, record again and compare, because the growth that happened in 10 days is nothing compared to what happens in 30, and nothing compared to what happens in a year. What comes after day 10? I want to address something directly. The challenge ends today, but your English journey does not. And I know from speaking to hundreds of English learners that the moment a structured challenge ends is the most dangerous moment. Because without the structure, without the daily prompt, without the next video waiting, the habit can slip. Day 11 gets missed, then day 12. And before long, the momentum is gone and the system that took 10 days to build quietly dissolves. I do not want that for you. So here is your promise to yourself, the one I want you to make right now, out loud in English. I will practice my English for 20 minutes every day. Not because it is a challenge, not because someone is watching, because I know what is waiting for me on the other side of consistency, and I want it. Say it out loud right now. I will practice my English for 20 minutes every day. That promise, made to yourself in English on day 10, is the most important thing you will do today. The final practice session of this challenge, and it is the simplest one. I am going to ask you one question, and I want you to answer it using everything. The filler, the formula, the chunks, the pronunciation, the confidence. Everything. Here is the question. Who are you as an English speaker today compared to who you were 10 days ago? Pause now, answer out loud, take as long as you need. Use everything you have built. That answer, that fluent, organized, natural, confident English answer, was not possible 10 days ago, and it was entirely possible today. That is the system working. That is you working. And that is day 10, the final day. I have been thinking about what to say at this moment for a long time. And here's what I want to say. I am proud of you, not in a general, polite way, genuinely, specifically, personally proud. Because I know what it takes to show up for 10 days. I know what life throws at people who are trying to learn something difficult. I know the tired evenings and the busy mornings and the moments of doubt that could have stopped you at day 3 or day 5 or day 8. And you are here, day 10. That matters. Now, comments time. Play your day 1 recording, listen to it, and then tell me what is the biggest difference you hear between day 1 and day 10. Not what you think the difference should be, what you actually hear. Tell me in English, in the comments, because this community, every person who made it to day 10, deserves to celebrate together. And if you're watching this on day 1, welcome. Start from the beginning. Do every day in order, do every homework assignment, download every PDF, record every session, and come back here on day 10 and tell me what you hear, because the difference will be real. I promise. One last thing. This channel is going nowhere. New videos, new series, new challenges, new practice sessions, all coming. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. And share this challenge, all 10 days, with one person who needs it. Because the greatest gift you can give someone is the belief that they can do something they're afraid to do. And you, by finishing, just proved that it is possible. Thank you for 10 days of trust, for 10 days of showing up, for 10 days of speaking when it was hard and practicing when you were tired and choosing yourself every single morning. You are not just someone who completed a challenge. You are an English speaker. You always were. And now the whole world can hear you. Bye for now, and hello to everything that comes next.